Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the HTML style attribute. If you are ready to add some styles to your web pages, such as changing font color, changing its size, and basically to style your elements in whatever way you like. Stick around because we are going to learn this in this video. So what is the style attribute in HTML? Well, it's a way to add some CSS directly to an HTML element instead of writing a separate CSS style sheet. You can quickly apply styles right where you need them. Right now, it's clear that you are not familiar with CSS, but don't worry, we will cover learning CSS later in this course. When we reach the CSS section, you will start understanding CSS concept. After that, you won't need this attribute because we will use separate files to make our pages looks great. So we can write style attribute like this, and this is a syntax of writing style attribute. Now here the tag name is the name of our element that we are going to style. The property is a CSS property and the value is a CSS value. So this is about the syntax, and now let me show you some practical examples so you can understand in a better way. See that style attribute within a p tag, that's where the magic happens. Let's break down the structure. The style attribute contains CSS properties and their corresponding values, all enclosed in double quotes. One is right here and one is here. You can include multiple properties separated by semicolon like this. Now here we are using color property to change the text color, and this font size property is used to change the size of our text. You can see if I increase the size to 20 pixels, it will looks more bigger. And even if I will do 25, then you can see its size is increasing continuously. Now with this, let's move to another example. Here we have two elements. One is paragraph element and the other one is the button element. Now in this example, we are using some new CSS properties, and these are color, font weight, background color, and the padding property. We already talked about the color property. It changes the color of our text. Right now we are using red color, and you can see on our web page our text is in red color. Now what is the purpose of these other properties? So let's discuss these one by one. Here in paragraph we are using font weight, which is to make our font looks bolder, and after that in button element we have background color and padding. So the background color, as the name says, it's for changing the background of our button element, and padding is for giving some space inside our button element. If I change the background color of our button element, here you can see on the web page it will change immediately. For example, if we choose any other color, and now you can see our background color is changed to yellow. So this is how background color property works. It simply changes the background of our element. Now what happened when I change the value of our padding element? So if we increase and make it double, you can see our button become bigger. So note that padding property works to give space inside our element. Now as you can see, the style attribute lets you customize various aspects from color to fonts and even padding. Now there is something important to note. While using the style attribute is handy for quick changes, it's not the most maintainable solution for larger projects. That's where external CSS files come into play. External CSS files keep your styles organized, but if you are working on a smaller project or need to make a one-time tweak, the style attribute is good to go. You are not limited to just a single value. You can use measurements like pixel, em, as well as percentages and even hexadecimal colors. So whether you are tweaking a small project, testing out a quick idea, or just getting started in web development, the style attribute is a versatile tool you should definitely have in your toolkit. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this web development journey with us. Until next time, keep practicing because learning to code is a skill that only comes from practice. Just watching videos or tutorials are not enough. It's similar to going to a gym. If you just watch other working out, you won't become a bodybuilder. To achieve that, you need to lift dumbbells and do some reps. Similarly, practicing coding is very important to build up your skills and your muscle memory for coding as well. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.